Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant network lag, high ping and packet loss on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click on open it. On left side select inbound rules. On right side select a new rule. In here you just need to select port and select next, select UDP and check my video description for this UDP code. Just copy and paste it and click on next. All of the connection, select next, check mark all of these, select next. Name it as Valorant UDP. Click on finish option. Do the same for outbound roles. Select outbound roles, select new role. Select port and select next. UDP, copy and paste the code and select next. Allow the connection, select next. Check mark all of these, select next. Type name Valorant UDP. Click on finish option and just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on your internet connection. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 888. In alternative DNS type 8844. Click on OK to save changes just to close stuff here. Third step, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these commands, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.